now I'm on the way to the Gullfoss, not sure how they pronounce it. It's conveniently placed right next to the car park, or the car park is conveniently placed right next to the Gullfoss, let's say it like that. I think that morning was pretty dope. Unfortunately, the drone had almost no juice left, so I was only able to fly like 5 minutes, which isn't quite enough to capture multiple angles. I just noticed that there's a new damage on my car, which sucks. So that's a piece in question. It's not really tight anymore. So it looks like it lost the connection here. It broke off. The door is just swinging like that. There's no resistance anymore. Right? This is how the healthy door should look like. So that piece is still functional fine. And then the door has this resistance. I think it happened recently when I was helping two US ladies who weren't able to find their car, which they parked in the very middle of a gravel road. They asked me to drive them there. It was just a 3-kilometer drive, and as one of them opened the door, it was swinging open in full force because the wind was so strong that it immediately pushed it forward, and she just, like, you know, tapped it open with a handle, but she didn't hold the grip here, so the door would just swing open. And then I heard this loud clonk. I was already worried then that there would be some damage, but I had a quick look at it on the spot and door opened fine, and I didn't see that thing. So I wasn't worried at that time, but now I just realized the door behaves much different than the driver's door. I don't know how expensive this will be to repair. I'm not actually worried about that damage because it's, you know, it doesn't destroy the functionality of the door, but it's always bad for the resale value. So anyway, I want to have a look at some little waterfall. I found it. It's called Bruarfoss, but I would call it Bruarfoss. I think that sounds much better. Bruarfoss. I already like it.